I've got my October Allure beauty box, so if you want to see what's inside, and it's real heavy this month, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out behind me and Chloe is just hanging out, but if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being part of our YouTube family. So Allure Beauty Box is part of the Condé Nast family, where the magazine, getting a message from my daughter on my little bracelet here, we're connected, connects to our phone. It's really cool, and we can send each other messages with it, and they even have like messages on the phone, but like it'll light up different colors for different things. I haven't gotten used to that yet. I'm not sure what the pink is. It's probably I hate you. No, it's not I hate you. But... all right, so she is very full. Little sneak peek right there. I do have a little flyer that goes over everything in there, and they've just started sending me an Allure magazine. Now, I don't know if it's the same one you would buy on the newsstands because it's very thin, but they're sending me a little magazine now. All right, the number one thing in here, and this guy is going to have a hefty retail price if I'm guessing correctly. I haven't even looked that far down, but it is the Ole Henriksen Glow O Dark Spot Toner with a 7% high potency AHAs. All right, this is, oh no, it's not, actually it's not as expensive as I thought it was going to be. It's $35 is still $35, but it says it has alpha hydroxy acids, which are recommended and reliable exfoliating ingredients in skincare, thanks to their brightening and line smoothing abilities. In this toner, 2 AHAs, glycolic and lactic acids, are paired with reviving licorice extract and hydrating glycerin for a dark spot fading, glow-inducing formula. And you're going to use this before bed, it says. And it does recommend that you use sunscreen even though you're applying it at night. And that's probably because of the glycolic and lactic acids, because if you make your skin more sensitive. But yeah, I love toner. I just opened a new one, the Gloasis one that I really like. Next, now this wasn't a choice. I believe they chose for you. This is by Florence. You could have gotten either the hydrating lip oil, the tinted lip oil, or the Hit Snooze lip mask. So these are the Glow Yeah. So I did get one of the lip oils. Now, did I get the tinted one? Don't know. Probably not, because it looks like the tinted one is in a purple. So a little bummed. Oh no, it says tinted. Okay. All right. Definitely clear. Well, I'm sure it's nice. I just would have preferred the tinted one because that's pretty much what I wear every day. Even though it says tinted, it's not tinted. It says it has mango butter and it's bouncy. Oh no, that's the jelly mask. It has a berry sheen, but it doesn't talk about the colors. The lip oils is subtle rosy tints. They've both got them, and hydrating mango butter make lips look juicy and fresh. I don't know, maybe it is tinted, just like a very, very light rosy pink. All right, oh, I can see it now. All right, I'm excited again. All right, yeah. It's almost like it's that pH changing where as I'm wearing it longer, it's getting darker. Okay. All right, not mad about it. $16 value. Next, we have Sicilian Light. It's in English on the side. Vegan squalene, prickly pear, blood orange, and truffle complex to plump and illuminate. All right, this is full size at 30 milliliters, and it's a $60 value. This is by Skin & Co. and it's their light serum. It says it's jam-packed with brightening, antioxidant, vitamin C, hydrating hyaluronic acid, and squalene. And they tell you to put some sunscreen on with it. Next, this is definitely full size, because if this isn't, I'm not sure what is. This is 6 ounces, and this is the Miley Rose Mint Clarifying Sugar Scalp Scrub infused with biotin and encourages longer and healthier hair. It is a scalp treatment that gently exfoliates, revives, and refreshes scalp and is non-drying. It's got like a little nozzle at the end so you can really just get right into your scalp. This is a $9.99 value, and it says your scalp is left feeling clean and ready for the next styling session, while the scrub's minty smell feels equally refreshing. This is going to clear away any old products, and I always tell you, you should exfoliate at least once a week with your hair. All right, next we have another full-size product by Curology. My daughter loves this brand. This is their Gentle Cleanser, and it's dermatologist tested and approved. It won't clog your pores. It's for all skin types. It's cruelty-free, fragrance-free, sulfate-free, and paraben-free. And it says cozy and elegant in its simplicity. This facial cleanser's creamy gel formula feels comforting, not drying. It foams quickly and washes away easily, leaving behind a softer complexion. It's made extra coddling by hydrating glycerin and softening extract. Doesn't have any discernible scent and is suitable to all skin types. $12 value. So not a bad price. This is full size. It is 2.7 ounces, and that is, oh no, wait a minute. Yeah, and that is the price. The $12 is the price. So it's not a bad priced item too if you fall in love with it. I thought it was far more expensive. She had gotten it as a gift. Next, by Belief, is their Aqua Balm Eye Gel. This is a 5 milliliter size. A full size at 15 milliliters is $32. And it has vitamin C, niacinamide, tightens with caffeine, and cools like old cucumber slice trick. No refrigeration or cucumber slices required. So it is a gel and it depuffs, it says. Big old box, little tiny product. All right, but that's not a bad size for an eye gel. I'm not mad about that. That's about $10, 10 and some change. And by Olay, we have these cleansing melts, and it says it's great for traveling. They're vitamin C infused. They turn soapy, so you're going to take 1 tablet, run it under water for 3 seconds, rub your hands together to create a cleansing lather. It looks like there are 2 tablets, 12 dissolving pads in here, so that's not a bad size. And a 32 count is $10. And then last, and this looks like it's not listed in here other than there's an ad for it. And I know these are kind of expensive. So sometimes they have like a little something extra that they throw in. It's not a part of the box. It's like an advertiser throwing something in. We have 3 sample sticks of Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. I know my niece and my nephew love this. They exercise, they go to the gym a lot, so they do love this. This is in white peach, lemon lime, and green grape. So 8 vitamins and nutrients. All right, that is my Allure beauty box. So tell me your thoughts and what was your favorite product? Mine, I'm gonna go with this. I think everything in here was really nice. I like getting the toner. I love toners. I like the scalp scrub, but lip oils are like my everyday go-to. That's another reason I don't use a lot of lip pencils, because I'm pretty much just throwing on a clear or very light lip oil every day, and that's it. That's for me. This will be my daughter's favorite though. All right. Well, thank you so much for spending a little time with me. please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. It's totally free, but it means so much to Bandit back there. As you can tell, he's so interested. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.